Hey guys, happy Monday. So I have hit the ground running today. I'm a little bit on East Coast time. I got back last night around midnight and woke up at like 5:30 ready to go. Had some coffee, so I've been getting stuff done. And I'm gonna let you guys in on that. So yesterday I wrote a blog, if you haven't read it yet. If you did read it, you would know that there's been a lot of stuff going on kind of behind the scenes, and I just didn't really feel like writing for the last couple weeks. And then I thought, why don't I sit down and write about not wanting to and what's been going on in my life. So it's a little bit more personal, but I hope you enjoy it, those of you who've read it. If you haven't, you can go to monicaghost.com, it's on there, or monicaghost.wordpress.com and check that out. And then today I have been working on, I've got like press kits that I'm putting together, my one-page EPK. I put together like a Google Slides package, all this stuff for a couple different reasons. One, I have the LA Travel and Adventure Show coming up, and I love going there and mingling with different tourism boards and stuff like that. So that's coming up. That's exciting. And then I'm so excited. I put together these like press kits that have my sizzle reel and my hosting reel and a couple samples of work and all sorts of good stuff. And I'm gonna start pitching those to production companies and TV stations. So that's kind of crazy. That's what I've been working on. And also putting together stuff for the Denver road trip, which starts next Wednesday. If you don't know, we're doing Arizona, New Mexico, and then going up through Colorado to Denver. So I'm really excited. We're gonna try to camp where we can. It looks like it's pretty cold, so we shall see. But it should be a really, really fun road trip. There's gonna be some good episodes coming out of that, so stay tuned. And then just another little fun thing. So today I got back, and in the mail, I got all this fun stuff from Happy Socks. So I got these socks, which I'm wearing. They're so cute. And then I got these fun ones. And then they actually sent me some really cute underwear, which are really soft, but I won't be modeling those for you guys. And then the t-shirts, I know some of you guys have heard, my Monica Goes t-shirts are on sale. So I only have 3 sizes left of the dark gray one, the main one. That's a small, a medium, and a double XL. But, so Vistaprint was back ordered on the dark gray one. So they sent me a ton of these light gray ones in all larges. So those are on sale right now for $15 instead of $18. And somebody asked me if I could try them on and show you different sizes. So I'm gonna do that. And here we go. Okay, so because I'm doing this selfie style, I'm going to be super classy and use the mirror here. So if you like it super tight and you like your stuff a little bit more fitted, this is the medium on me. I am normally a large. It's good, I like it. If you're like me, I don't like things that are form-fitting. I like them a little bit looser. But for you awesome ladies that like to rock it out, I would say go a little bit smaller if you want the form-fitting feel. All of these shirts are pre-shrunk, so they shouldn't shrink anymore, and they're super, super soft. So again, this is the medium on me. There you go, form-fitting. Okay, on to the next one. Okay, so now I have the extra large on, which I love the feeling of. It's definitely a little bit bigger and baggier. I definitely like that comfortable feeling. This is more like around the house kind of stuff. So this is one size up from what I would normally wear. But if you like it a little bit looser, go one size up. So there you go, there's the extra large. Okay, and then last but not least, I'm wearing the large. This is definitely my size. This is how I like it. It's a little bit bigger, it's not form-fitting, but you know, it still has some room and stuff like that. So this is the large. Now again, unfortunately with the large, we only have them in the light gray with the black print, but I still think it's really cute. They look really good under flannels and stuff like that. So hopefully putting them on helps you guys get an idea of what the sizing's like. So it's pretty true to size. Like I said, they're pre-shrunk, so you know, shouldn't shrink anymore. They're really soft. So there you go. And I will be ordering more of the dark gray ones, but I need like a few more orders before I do that. So again, all I have left in that one is a small, a medium, and a double XL, and then I've got like 18 larges in this light gray. So if you want to get them, you can either buy them straight off Facebook, or what most people have done is they just message me and let me know they want one, what size, and their address, and then they have Venmo'd and PayPal'd me. One person sent a check. So, and I will send it out and you should have it in like 2 to 3 days. So if you want a t-shirt, let me know. Yeah, that's about it that's going on here. Just definitely kind of back to the grind, back to hustling. I'm really excited for this road trip and for you guys to see all of that and get back into some nature. So yeah, stay tuned.